Okay, so now we're almost done. Actually, this is pretty much done. Just want to show you one last thing. After I closed out the other recording, I decided I wanted to go back and cover something real quick. So you see how we've got the dotted line on here showing that this is going over onto a second page. And then we've got this, we've already got it in landscape mode, so we've already got it in the widest it can be on an 8.5 by 11. But what you can do, let's say hypothetically, if you had a chart or some type of spreadsheet that carried over a little bit onto a second page, but it was a spreadsheet that you wanted to print off copies to pass out to, whether it's to turn in for schoolwork, or if you're doing something later on for another class, or even for your job, and you needed to pass stuff out. You click File, and you click Print. And what you can do is, you can see on the print example, it shows 2 pages and going off to 1 page. Well, down here at the very bottom where it says no scaling, you can change this to fit on 1 page. And it makes it fit on 1 page. And I do have a little bit of that, the notes that I had typed on there earlier about the net and gross. You can go back and delete that off of there. So let's go do that. I forgot. See, after it was so big, I forgot that was even on there. So we'll get rid of those to make sure. File, print, fit on 1 sheet. See, now you've got it all on 1 page. Obviously, you don't see your chart on here, or your 3D chart. If you wanted 1 page with your 3D chart on there as well, you can just go back. You can take this. Oops. Find where we had to move it again. Let's see if we can copy it. Paste it back. We can move this around. If you need to make it smaller, you can. Let's see how it turns out. See if we get it all on there. Change the landscape. Do I still have it on? That should be. Why is that not? Oh, there's another way we can fix this too. There we go. Oh, we finally got it small enough. Now you could go back and play with the size of it if you needed to make it a little bit bigger so it takes up more space down here, move it around. But see, now we've got it all on 1 page. So just by your scaling down here at the bottom. Fit sheet on 1 page. So now you'd be ready to print this and get it all on 1 page. You can hand it out as a 1-page example to whatever it is that you have on your particular worksheet. So that's all I wanted to go back over and show you that you can get that on 1 sheet.